Picards method. The Picard iterative process consists of constructing a sequence of functions which will get closer and closer to the desired solution. This video emphasizes on solving a problem which will clarify the method's procedure. In this example, we are to find the value of y when x is equal to 0.1 for the given function x plus y square. We are also given the initial and final initial value of x and y, and we have to continue the example until third approximation and 4 decimal places. So let's collect the data here. We are given the function of x plus y square and the initial value of x and y, which are equal to 0, while we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 0.1. Here's the tabulated data. Picard's iterative formula is given by y sub n, where n is iteration number, is equal to y naught, the initial y value, plus integral of function. The limit of integral will be from x initial value to x final value, or the value which we have to find the y on, which is here is 0.1. Step 1 in finding y.1 will be to put n in equation 1, which is given here, the Picard's iterative method formula. N will be the number of iteration, hence we will have 0 here and 1 here. Remembering the table we used backwards, we have initial value of y is equal to 0 and x1 equal to 1. Putting these values here, we get this form which we can solve to get the first value of y1 to be 0.0050. Now we have to remember this value because we will be putting n is equal to 2 in equation 1 for the second iteration, and until we get the answer correct to 4 decimal places to be equal to y1, we have to continue this. So putting 2 in equation 1, we get y2 is equal to y naught plus integral of the function. This time y1 will be put in the function. Now remembering y1 value to be equal to 0.005, we put that value and get this form here. Now solving this form, we get this, and again the answer to be 0.0050. Now we can see the answer are correct to do 2 decimal places and equal to each other. We have to do this one more time as per the question requirement to confirm this answer. Putting 3 in n, that is again in equation 1, we get this form, and solving this form further, that is integrating it to the limitations of x, that is 0 to 0.1, we get this. We can see the answer is equal to 0.0050, which was equal to y2 from y1 from the second iteration and y1 from the first iteration. Thus we can safely say that y value at x is equal to 0.1 is 0.0050. Thank you.